Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and create React.js project on your Windows. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed on your Windows. So here, if we just go to our Windows search option, then search over here cmd, then press enter. Here you can see, so here if we just write node-v, press enter, it will show you the Node.js version. So if it is showing you the version, it means Node.js is installed. And if the Node.js is not installed, then you need to install it. So just go to any browser, then search for Node.js. And here you can see nodejs.org. So then go to the download option. And from here, you need to download the most latest version. So I'll assume that you have Node.js installed. And installation of Node.js is really simple. So once you have Node.js installed, it means you are ready to create your React project. So right now, in the search option, we are going to search for React.js, then press enter, and here you can see react.dev. So we'll click here, and it will take us to the page, and here you can see learn React. So we are going to click here. Then we need to click on installation, and here you will see create a React app, and here you can see build a React app from scratch. So we need to click here. After that, we need to go down and you will see a command over here. So we are going to create a React project using Byte. So this is the most recommended one. So you should copy this command. After that, you need to go to your folder. Then just choose any folder. So I'm going to create my React project over here. So here I'm going to click, then write over here cmd, press enter. Let me zoom in, and then we are going to paste the command which we just copied from here, which is this one, npm create Byte at the latest my app template React. So after copying this, just paste it over here. And here you can see my app. This is the project name. If you want, you can give different name over here, but I am going to keep it the way it is. Then click over here, enter, and it will start creating our project. And here you can see that it created a folder over here, my app. So this is a React project. Now we need to go to the project location, then run npm install, then npm run deck. So what we can do is that we can just close this, and if you now just click here, there you can see the project structure. So I'm going to click over here, write cmd, press enter, and there you go. We are right now in the project directory. So we can just directly search over here npm install, press enter. So it will install some necessary package for this project, React project, and it will take some time. Right now, I'll just fast forward the video. And there you go, it is done. So after this, we need to write over here npm run dev, press enter, and it will give you a link like this. So we need to copy this, then go to your browser, then paste it over here, press enter, and there you go, our React project is created. Here you can see Byte plus React, and here you can see count is 0. If you now keep clicking on it, it will change the count. So yeah, this is how you can install and create React.js project on your Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.